Hey, Fitting Guy here. We're back in the studio because we have not a new product, but we have a new version of an old product, and you're going to like it. And don't you want to know what it is? You know, for years we've offered weld-in bungs, whether they're in aluminum or stainless steel or regular steel. And I've got a lot of tank builders out there, creative guys who are expert level welders, and they make beautiful tank creations. One thing that we've offered for some time, but frankly have not really sold very many of, is a weld-in tank cap. So you can open up your tank and refill it if it's a surge tank of some kind or whatever, or an oil tank. And this is what we've offered, and there's nothing wrong with it other than it's just kind of ugly. Pretty plain. There's an O-ring seal and you weld it in and screw on the cap and you're done, but it's less than appealing when it comes to eye appeal. Well, we've stepped up our game and given our tank cap the kind of panache that you're used to getting from Phenix products. And it has a base that you weld in. It's very nicely finished. These come in several different sizes, and I will put a graphic up here so that you know what those sizes are. It has a cap. Obviously, there's an O-ring seal, real nice, embedded in the bottom there. It's not sitting out here where you can see it, so it looks much nicer in its presentation. And it has this nice series of knurls on the end of it to, for grip. You can do the Kung Fu grip. And it's got the Phenix logo on top. So we're pretty proud of the thing. Thanks for watching The Fitting Guy. Give us a call, let us know what your tank needs are, and we'll get you taken care of.